Hello everybody. Today in this video we will demonstrate you the functions of SEWACall wireless panic alarm systems. This compact size systems comes with a 3-color blink light and a 110 decibel loud siren. The systems works with multiple number of SEWA units. Industry grade buttons can find applications in warehouse, factories etc. The applications of security in banks, ATMs, homes can be accomplished by handheld SEWA units. Also systems works with multiple key SEWA units which is widely used in production and packing lines. The pull cord buttons are mainly used in toilets, washrooms for the elderly to handle emergency situations. Let's check out working of systems with each of the call buttons. Press the green key from the industrial grade buttons to trigger the alarm. The red key can be used to stop the alarm or vice versa. The handheld SEWA button can also be put in lanyards around the neck and can be used in various security applications. Press call to trigger the alarm and cancel to stop the same. The multiple key SEWA have 4 keys which trigger different lights. Example, press A for green light, B for blue light, and C for red light. Each can have different notations in different applications. Pull the cord in case of any emergency and it will trigger the alarm. The cancel button will stop the same. Hope you got the clear picture of the systems. Furthermore, these systems are 100% plug play and totally wireless. No need of installation at your end. You can get in touch with us by visiting our website at jupinnovations.com. Also you can email us at demo@jupinnovations.com. You may message or call us at 918010729729 as well.